Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Nissan Titan. First, ensure your truck is on a flat, stable surface. This is crucial for safety. Always engage your parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will stay on the ground. This prevents any accidental rolling while you are working underneath or around the vehicle. Taking these initial safety steps will protect both you and your truck during the process. Now, let's talk about where to place your jack. It's essential to use the correct jack points to avoid damage and ensure stability. Always refer to your Nissan Titan's owner's manual for precise locations. Generally, for the front, you can position your jack under a sturdy part of the lower control arm or the subframe. When lifting the rear, the differential is typically the recommended central lifting point. Proper placement is key for a safe lift. With your jack correctly positioned, slowly begin to lift your Nissan Titan. Keep a close eye on the jack to ensure it remains centered and stable as the truck rises. Once the vehicle reaches your desired height, immediately place jack stands under a strong, flat section of the frame. These stands are your primary safety support. Slowly lower the truck until it rests securely on the jack stands, then perform a quick shake test to confirm stability. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Nissan Titan. First, slightly raise the truck with your jack, just enough to remove the jack stands. Carefully pull the jack stands out from under the frame. Then, slowly and gradually lower the vehicle to the ground, maintaining full control of the jack. Once the truck is fully lowered, remove the jack and chocks. You're all set. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your garage or home clean while you tackle your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.